guys, so today I will be showing how to animate a fight in Sticknotes or Sticknotes Pro. So just follow what I do and so put on twinning. We'll use the padding mode later. Import the stick figure you want. I mainly use the ninja or the little dude. So put your character. Of course you need to, because it's a fight. So flip it. I just learned this from one of my classmates and online my classmates. So you can change the color of the stick figure. You can change it whenever you want. Of course, many of you already know that. I'll change mine to gold, and this one will be this color. So next, one of the important things, you need to put on the floor. Make sure if your character is big, also the floor will be big. If you want special effects, you can go to the download stick figures and find the ground break, so you can have effects. But so make sure you have twinning on, but it depends on what you want. So just follow me. Let's go. So this thing might take a while, so I will first pause the video and I will show you the frame one by one. So guys, I have made my first move. It's just pretty simple. Just look at this. See, it's just pretty simple. And this is the frames. Once the character hit a stick figure, put on your padding mode or padding mode. If you put it, you can move them. So I just use padding mode. So look, I just move it up, down, and back to normal. So it will look like this. So let's continue. After the padding mode, I just did this. So let's continue. So I am almost finished. I am now 26 frames. So I added a new move, which is a kick. See? The trick there is just while making the animation is just making the other character not looking at his back and suddenly kicking it. Because it has twinning, it just automatic do that. So let's continue. So guys, I'm finished with the animation. So you just repeat the steps I said earlier and make even more fighting style. So this is just the result of my animation. See, it's pretty good. Of course, it's not. I'm just a beginner, but I learned a lot from my friend James, aka the Sticky Stick. You can subscribe to him. I'll put the link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's try the Lupon. Whoa! Who cares? So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later, guys. Bye!